In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly change the language on the Viber app. Whether you've installed Viber in the wrong language or simply want to switch to a language you're more comfortable with, this guide will help you. Open the Viber app on your smartphone. Tap on the More option located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Select Settings from the menu. In the Settings menu, tap on General. Here you'll see the option for language. Tap on it. A list of available languages will appear. You can scroll through the list to find your preferred language. Make sure to select a language you're familiar with to ensure smooth navigation. Select the language you want to switch to. Click on checkmark to confirm your choice. Viber will automatically update to the selected language, and all menus and options will reflect the change. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language on Viber. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more app tips and tricks.